Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Libra Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Libra Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Aquarius. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes seen from 11th house. Your elder brother and sisters are seen from 11th house. Your sources, your PR is also seen from 11th house. So right now, your 11th house Lord is moving in your 5th house. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from 5th house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, all of these matters is seen from 5th house, and your fun activities also seen from 5th house. Your mental abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, is also seen from 5th house. So right now in the month of March, your 11th house Lord is moving in your 5th house till 14th March, because Sun will stay in your 5th house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your 5th house to your 6th house in the sign of Pisces. So till your 11th house Lord is moving in your 5th house, we can expect great result regarding your games related matter, regarding your elder brother and sister's life. Also, we can expect great result regarding your hopes and wishes related matter. Also, your 5th house Lord is also moving in your 5th house in its own sign, in the sign of Aquarius. Saturn is right now in a strong position in your 5th house. So Saturn will restrain you somehow from your fun activity, because Saturn is a planet of restriction, responsibility. So Saturn will definitely show you, encounter you a lot of responsibility regarding your 5th house related matter. But right now in the month of March till 14th March, till Sun is moving your 11th house Lord is moving in your 5th house, we can expect great result regarding your love relationship, regarding your fun activity, and your early education related matter if you are in education life. If you have children, like if you are married and you have children, then we can expect great result regarding your children's life, especially till 14th of March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your 5th house to your 6th house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. So when your 11th house Lord will be moving in your 6th house, so we can expect you will definitely get a great result regarding your court case, litigation, arguments related matter, because Rahu is already moving in your 6th house. So Rahu will defeat your enemy, Rahu will suppress your hidden enemies, your competition related matter. But after 14 March, when Sun will move when Sun will move from your 5th house to your 6th house, then we can expect more positive result regarding your court case, litigation, arguments related matter, because 6th house deal with such thing. Also, if you are a working person, like if you're a job person, then we can expect great result regarding the job related matter, because 2nd, 6th and 10th house are always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Libra ascendant people, Mercury controls your 9th house and your 12th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Aquarius. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from 9th house, your elders, your mentors, your guider, advisor, your second marriage, and your long distance travel is also seen from 9th house, and travel related to religious purpose. And if you want to visit some religious place, then this travel will be seen from your 9th house. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. Your dream sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house, and your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. If you are interested into spirituality, then spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house and 9th house Lord is moving in your 5th house, and Mercury will stay in your 5th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 5th house to 6th house in the sign of Pisces. So till your 9th house Lord is moving in your 5th house till 8 March, then we can expect luck will support you, your fortune will support you regarding your education, regarding your love relationship, regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now, because as we discussed previously in Sun section, 11th house Lord is also moving in your 5th house, and House of Fortune Lord is also moving in your 5th house till 8 March. Ketu is present in your 12th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But right now in the month of March, especially till 8 March, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy to your 5th house. So you may face some of difficulty, some conflict, some argument, but things will be okay due to presence of your 9th house Lord in your 5th house, and also your 11th house Lord is moving in your 5th house. Also, if you are interested into spirituality related matter, then we can expect your mental abilities will support you regarding your spirituality related matter. Means things will be clear to you in the month of March, till 8 March, till Mercury is moving in your 5th house. After 8 March, when your 9th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your 6th house, then we can expect great result regarding your court case, litigation, arguments related matter. Your luck will support you regarding all of these matter, because Sun will also join Rahu after 14, as we discussed previously in Sun section, but Mercury will also support you regarding your court case, litigation, arguments related matter in the month of March, because your 12th house Lord will be also moving in your 6th house, means your house of losses, house of expenses Lord will be moving in the house of hidden enemies, in the house of competition, in the house of court case litigation. So this will prove a positive situation for you, because your one naturally malefic house Lord will be moving in another naturally malefic house after 8 March. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Libra ascendant people, Venus controls your 8th house and your 1st house. Means Venus is your ascendant lord. Venus is very important planet for you people, because Venus is your ascendant lord. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your general health, your nature, your fundamental nature is also seen from first house. Your physique, your mental perception, your fame, along with 10,000, 7,000 of seen from first house. 8,000 will be your longevity, your chronic disease, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8,000. Your sudden positive event, sudden negative event also seen from 8th house. Your secret activity, your sexual relationship, sexual activity, sexual organ, and your secretive activities are also seen from 8th house. So 8,000 first house Lord is moving in your 4th house. Venus will stay in your 4th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your 4th house to 5th house in the sign of Aquarius. So in the month of March, till Venus is moving in your 4th house, we can expect great result regarding your properties, vehicles, and comfort related matter, because 4th house deal with your properties, vehicles, comfort, and your mother's related matter, and your convenience related matter, etc., etc. And right now your 4th house is in a strong position due to presence of Mars in your 4th house, in an exalted position, because Mars is present right now in a Capricorn sign, and whenever Mars is present in Capricorn sign, Mars give very good result. So Mars is right now in an exalted position, and your ascendant Lord is also moving in your 4th house till 8 March. So till 8 March we can expect great result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your general health related matter. You will also spend quality time with your home members in the month of March, and also we can expect great result regarding your properties, vehicles, and comfort related matter in the month of March. Also, your 8th house Lord is moving in your 4th house. Suddenly, you will get some type of gains regarding your properties, vehicles, and conveniences related matter in the month of March. Also, if you are married, then we can expect great result regarding your in-laws related matter. You will arrange some get together with your in-laws in the month of March, especially before 8 March. After 8 March, when Venus will move from your 4th house to 5th house, then your ascendant Lord will be also moving in your 5th house, and Saturn and Venus considered friends in astrology. That's why we can expect great result regarding your fun activities, regarding your love relationship, regarding your early education and children's related matter, if you have these things in your life. Also, your 8th house Lord will be moving in your 5th house, so we can expect you will get great result regarding your fun activities. You will spend quality time with your loved ones in the month of March, if you have any girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance related matter. Also, we can expect your mental abilities will support you after 8 March, when Venus, your ascendant Lord, will be moving in your fifth house. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Libra ascendant people, Moon controls your 10th house, and right now Moon is moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe in a single video for whole month. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And naturally, malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. And especially, problem will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near any of these planets in transit. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Libras and people, Mars controls your seventh house and your second house. And right now, Mars is moving in your fourth house in its exalted position, as we discussed previously in Venus section. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your business partnership is seen from seventh house, your relationships in journal is seen from seventh house, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others seen from seventh house. Your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreemented things also seen from seventh house. Your fame along with 10th house and first house also seen from seventh house. Second house will be the speech, your food intake habits are seen from second house, your family related matters are seen from second house, your family lineage, family history is also seen from second house, your money matters, your savings, your bank account, your pocket is also seen from second house. So right now your seventh house and second house lord is moving in its exalted position in your fourth house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your fourth house to your fifth house in the sign of Aquarius. So till 16th of March, till Mars is moving in your fourth house, we can expect great results regarding your properties, vehicles, and your gains related matter, as we discussed previously in Venus section, because your house of money, house of savings lord is also moving in your fourth house. Also, you will accumulate and you will able to save a lot of money in the month of March due to your work related matter, because from fourth house Mars is also expecting your 10th house, and right now your seventh house lord is also moving in your fourth house, so we can say you will arrange some get together with your in-laws related matter, as we discussed previously in Venus section. Also we can say you will arrange some event at your home in the month of March, especially till 16th of March. After 16th of March, your after 16th of March, when Mars will move from your fourth house to your fifth house, then we can expect great result regarding your fifth house related matter, as we discussed previously in Mercury and Sun section, because Saturn is also in a strong position. After 8 months, Venus will also move to your fifth house, and Mars, which controls your seventh house and your second house, will also be moving in your fifth house. So we can expect great result regarding your education, regarding your children. If you have children right now, also we can expect great opportunities in your love relationship, in your girlfriend, boyfriend, and fiance related matter in the month of March, if you're interested into these matter. Also, we can expect your mental abilities will support you in the month of March, because your ascendant lord will also be moving in your fifth house after 8 March. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the month of March for all the Libra ascendant people. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your fifth house, and Sun will stay in your fifth house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your fifth house to sixth house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your fifth house, and Mercury will stay in your fifth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your fifth house to sixth house in the sign of Pisces. For third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your fourth house, and Mars will stay in your fourth house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your fourth house to fifth house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your fourth house, and Venus will stay in your fourth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will also move from your fourth house to fifth house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Libra Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.